Hi, today I was speaking at one of a medical school in Thailand and I got a very interesting question. The student asked, in this situation with war going on, inflation and interest rate, what kind of strategy that we should use in order to be successfully invested in this situation and this time? It's a very interesting question. And I say, actually, to be able to answer this question correctly, I have to use some story. Have you ever read about Three Little Pigs, right? There's a pig with a straw house, pig with a wood house, and pig with a brick house. So just like investment, we have short-term, medium-term, and long-term investing. Short-term is really trading, right? You look at the volume, you look at the graph, and you start to trade. Have a discipline of trader and then go and trade. And then medium terms is also we have to know a little bit of trading and we have to also know a little bit of fundamental. But actually we don't have to care about the business too much because we don't hold a position for too long, like maybe a month. I have been really good in this kind of trading style. Like I earn the money for my trip and for different stuff. But again, like you don't really need to know much about the company and you don't really need to know what kind of economic and environment, the macro environment is, because what you need to know is pick a stock that have some volatility, have volume, go in and trade. Then the pig with the brick house. This is really what is long-term investing is all about. It takes time to build that brick house. It takes time to build the knowledge, to understand how to analyze the company, to understand how to evaluate the company, to understand also macroeconomic and what Fed is doing and what is the impact the world and the war would have on us in the world. So this kind of long-term investor need and require more knowledge. Therefore, we can always be a short-term and medium-term trader, but you still have to learn how to trade and understand the discipline of trading. Then you can take some profit from your short-term and medium-term trade and put some of those profits toward your long-term account. And as you continue to learn how to invest properly long-term, then you can take some of the profit put into your long-term portfolio. So now to answer this question correctly, it's really in any situation you can invest, because even in long term right now, the stock market have been dropping so much. They start to have many good quality, high quality company at the discount price. So keep looking and there will be opportunity to buy something high quality at cheaper price. And for short and medium term trade, you can get in at any time as long as it has volatility. Because when the market drop, you can be a short, right? You sell high and buy low. And then if the market start to move up, trending up, you can buy low and sell high. But being said all this, you still need knowledge. So if you want to learn about investment, money management, contact me. You can text me directly or leave the comment. And so don't panic. Right now, I'm still continue to invest long term. And really, this is such an important message because when I start, I did not know about this. I know how to evaluate asset. I know how to trade. But at that time, over 10 years ago, nobody talking about short term, medium term, and long term. I pretty much solidified myself after many mistakes. So at the beginning, I want to be a long term investor. Then I realized that I keep checking the news, I keep checking the graph. This is a habit of short-term investor. So I realized that I actually trade against my own self. When I do something against myself, I never win. So I have to accept it that I want to be a long-term investor like Warren Buffett. But I was so news in the investments and I keep checking news, I keep reacting. That's really a short-term mentality. So once I identify that, I just accept it and become a short-term trader. And then I start to earn profit more consistent. And then as the time go by, I graduate from short term, medium term, and become long term. So you too, if you haven't have a successful investing or trading, look at yourself first. What kind of investor you really are? Once you crack that out, the success will not be very far. So please help me share my message. And again, if you are interested in learn more about investing, money management, please don't be hesitant, contact us. So have a great day, and we're looking forward to see you again. Bye.